Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris Oz, Canopies 4x4. We've got another brand new N90 SR Hilux in today. We are becoming quite the experts on these N90s. What's getting done this one? It's going to be an all-day full build out. We're going to get canopy fitted. Understandably, that headboard has to go. We're going to get a Tubliner in this bad boy. We're going to get some side steps. We're going to get a storage box in there. And there's a bunch of shit that I'm probably already forgetting as well. So anyway, other than that, let's get right into it.
Alrighty guys, we hope you've enjoyed this installation video today on the new N90 Hilux. Have a look down here. We've got our black aluminium side steps. these suit the black N90 Hilux very, very nicely. They give it a sleek look and they let you get in and out of the car nice and simply. If you guys have any questions about any of these products, give us a call on 02 9627 8666. We can supply these and install them for pretty much any dual cab ute on the market in Australia. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you in the next installation video. Bye-bye.